This video, we're going to learn all the steps you need to take to withdraw your money from Business.Club. Stick around, but take note of these two things. First of all, you need to be having a minimum of $10 on your account, and this is going to enable you to start withdrawing. Number two, the withdrawals are instant. The payment is instant. Once you withdraw, does not take more than 2 to 3 minutes to receive your money in your account. You see, we already have a balance of $526 in this account. So what we have to do is very simple. We are going to click on the conversion. This sign, blue sign here you're looking at. When you click on conversion, we're going to get to this page whereby we have BCT token, which is 526.9 BCT tokens, and the total amount we have is 5,763. Part of what I have been staking. But for now, remember, each BCT token is equivalent to $1. You don't have to wait for exchange to be listed on external exchange to withdraw your money. It is very easy. You can withdraw direct from your active wallet. So now what you have to do here is very simple. I'm going to select, for example, I want to withdraw all the money. I want to convert all the money here. So once I convert all the money, I'll convert either to Bitcoin or I can select Ethereum. But in this case, I want to withdraw via Bitcoin. So I'll be receiving 0.01249 at a conversion fee, which is 0%. I'll proceed and click on convert. Once I click on convert, the system automatically convert this to 0.01249 as is stated earlier, and then from here I'll just go directly to my wallet. Now we can be able to see our balance in Bitcoin. It is now 531.9. We had converted 526. I had some little balance in my account. So in this case, I want to withdraw the money. I just click on this and then I go to send option. When I click on send option, I expect the system to bring a page where I have to feed in my wallet. So in this case, I'm going to go to my Exodus wallet and then I'll click copy my wallet. Once I copy this wallet from Exodus, I'm going to come and paste it here. Once I paste the wallet here, very simple, I'll enter the amount I need to withdraw. In this case, I would like to withdraw, let's say, $525, and then I'll enter my two-factor authenticator. So this two-factor authenticator I'm going to enter is going to approve the withdrawal from my account, which is protecting me from scammers who would like to withdraw without authority from the user of the account. So you just feed in the two-factor authenticator. The withdrawal has been successful and that will be processed shortly. So when I click on my email, I'll be able to see, hello DONCRYPTO, you have received your withdrawal request. The withdrawal has been accepted and be processed shortly. Thank you, Business Club. Thank you very much, Business Club. I'll be waiting to receive this in the next 1 to 3 minutes in my account. Usually it is instant. So that is very, very awesome from Business Club. Thank you very much, guys. I'm going to be showing you as soon as I receive this. My balance has been 0 here. I'm going to wait for it. I didn't have any crypto saved in this wallet. I wanted to use it for demonstration purposes. So you'll be able to see once I receive that amount. Thank you very much for joining me. Stick around. I'll be showing you as soon as I receive this. I'll be showing you. Yes, it has been received. Look at the sound. I love Exodus. That sound is really awesome. Thank you very much, Business Club. The payment has been instant and this is really awesome.